Okay.
So I know in like these kind of hard times, people all need masks, but instead of buying ones and then just throwing them away when they get dirty and like wasting a lot of whatever material it's made out of, you can just make one that if it gets dirty, you can throw in the wash. So what you're gonna need is a buff. You can also grab a bandana because that works too. Maybe even a towel, I don't know for sure. But yeah, you grab it, it should be about this size, right? And then you're just gonna fold it to like about the size of your face part right here. And then you're gonna fold it again. And then what you're gonna need after you've done that is just 2 rubber bands. Like that. And it doesn't really matter what kind of rubber bands they are. I have 2 different ones, but yeah. So then you're gonna take 1 rubber band and put it at this end, like that, about that much up. And then you're gonna do that with the other rubber band on the other side as well. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this side and put it down, and this side. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up a flap that's in this side, and you're just gonna put that side into this side, if that makes sense. Then you're gonna take it and put the rubber band.
Very good. Looks a little warm. Can you breathe?
Yes, it's just this rubber band is slipping off my ear. Like that. There you go. Okay.